My video guide is about removing the adware that attacks Mac computers only, and this adware is called ElementForce. While inspecting new submissions to the virus total database, we found this ElementForce application. After analyzing this piece of software, we found out that it is adware that belongs to the adload family. Adware enables the placement of third-party graphical content on visited websites and through other interfaces. The delivered adverts promote online scams, untrustworthy or even harmful websites and software, and even malware. Furthermore, when clicked on, some intrusive advertisements can download or install certain software without the user's permission. So, if you have discovered this particular adware ElementForce to be the part of your Safari browser or your Mac computer in general, we recommend you to get rid of it as soon as possible. Go to your Safari, go to Preferences, choose Extensions. You need to disable this extension and click on Uninstall. Then the message pops up that you need to first of all uninstall it through Finder. Then you need to find this ElementForce adware, right click on it and move it to the trash. So after that the adware should be completely gone. I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. There is a version for Mac computers and for Windows computers. The website will automatically detect your operating system. So download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program. This is the way the application looks like. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only 3 free features are available with the trial mode. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. So the scanning will begin. The program should, of course, first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any other malware that could possibly remain on your system. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the whole summary of all the threads that were removed during the scan. The report will tell you the information about the locations of these threads. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed. The scanning duration may depend on several factors. For instance, on how many hard drives are being scanned, and of course depending on how powerful your Mac computer is. Click on Review Results. As I said, you'll see the summary of all the threads that were found on your computer. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threads altogether, and this is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.